Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing essential settings that yield immediate savings. Open Settings. Enable Battery Saver and Adaptive Battery so the system limits background activity. This reduces wake locks and CPU spikes. Dim the screen to about 30% or switch on adaptive brightness because the display is the biggest power draw. Then, turn off Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi when you aren't using them. Radios constantly scan and waste energy. Once done, make sure to close any camera or GPS apps, since sensors keep the system awake. Next, you tackle apps and syncing to stop stealth battery drain. In Settings, right arrow apps, check the battery usage graph, restrict background data, and use the background activity toggle for any heavy app. This prevents constant wake-ups. Uninstall or disable apps you don't need, because dormant apps still receive push events. Change sync intervals for mail and social accounts to every hour or manual. Fewer syncs mean fewer radio and CPU events. Make sure to test responsiveness after each change so you keep functionality you actually need. Finally, apply system optimizations and know how to troubleshoot if things go wrong. Enable dark mode and use dark wallpapers on OLED phones because black pixels use near zero power. This directly lowers display consumption. Set location mode to device only or disable it when not needed, since high-accuracy GPS is an energy hog. If you still see rapid drain, reboot the phone, install system updates, and review recent apps. One rogue app can cause continuous wake locks. If necessary, boot into safe mode to isolate offending apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.